So hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to my channel, Life Skills with LesleyBos. So this week, I want to discuss a topic that to me is very important. And that is how to gain respect from other people. So I'm going to give you 3 fundamental tips that you can use and apply to gain the respect that you deserve. So tip number 1, learn to say no. Now, saying no to many people can be associated as negative, but it doesn't have to be. It's how you say it, how you use it, and how it's perceived in the eyes of the beholder. Saying no can be very beneficial for your mental health. Let's take this as an example. You have been working overtime the entire week. You're exhausted. You haven't been sleeping well, and you have not gotten the stuff done at home that you need to get done. Then your colleague, Bob, comes by at the end of the day and asks you to cover a shift for him. So what would your answer be? Sorry, Bob, gonna have to decline. Now, of course, I'm not saying you should say no all the time, but what I am saying is don't be the yes ma'am, yes sir type all the time either. Tip number 2, don't be a people pleaser. When people know that you are a people pleaser, chances are they're going to take advantage of your kindness and your niceness. And they may use you. And I don't want that happening to anybody because it is absolutely not okay. Tip number 3, if you want to be treated with respect, treat others with respect as well. How do you expect to be treated with respect if you don't treat others with respect? Right? So use and apply these tips. I hope this video helps you out. If you like this channel, like and subscribe. Push the bell button to be notified to give me some of these. Please stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.